Bowler Wrap. Bowler Wrap is a remote resistance solution that works. It creates a safe space between the subject and the officer where pain cooperation can be relied upon, and it is expressly built for that purpose during a deployed engagement. Polo wraps up early. The motto is to inflict pain frequently. Escalates come into contact with non-threatening forms. Allow time for the situation to de-escalate. You'll get the help you require. This item is small enough to be carried in a pocket or holster. And it works well for restraining violent people. It's quite easy to set up and only takes a few minutes to learn. It is far more accurate and user-friendly than previous laser technologies. Our newest creation Folio, 360 Small. Design. Introducing our newest creation, Folio, 360 Smart. Do the simplest way to create 360 product photography. The Folio 360 Smart dome broke away from the traditional key shape. It was newly designed in the shape of a dome with this new shape. Your photos will no longer have shadows and unwanted reflections. Adaptable. Time-saving and compatible. This newly designed dome structure gives photographers an infinite white background with uniform light. And our dome even comes with a built-in mechanical turntable. Just mount your smartphone on a detachable ball head and connect wirelessly with the Folio dome. Close the lid, top to focus and hit go. The custom object centering lights let you know the exact right location for your 360 photos. The internal LED light settings can easily be adjusted to fit your product shape and color. Just look at what variable color temperature can do. We even made magnetic energy changeable covers designed so that you can block outside reflections, shoot from any angle. And if you want to shoot your products from the same, if you use the detachable ball head to stabilize, your smartphone controls and takes automatic 360 photos with your smartphone, DSLR or PC. And on your PC, you can use our PC 360 software to save you time with direct photo transfer and badge editing here. Just images. 360 GIFs, videos and interactive images. Effortlessly Folio 360 Smart, to expand your creativity. And we touch lots of stuff every day, and we need to wash our hands to protect ourselves from viruses and bacteria. Instead of chemicals, we need a powerful portable sterilizer that works all day long. We combine the power bank with a UV sterilizer and every circulator, presenting a unique everyday use gadget that charges clean surfaces and purifies the air. The research shows the efficacy of UV LEDs, eliminating viruses and germs. Built-in timer allows to control that UV lamp operating time. Shake the lamp or press a button to start over. A special microcircuit helps determine the device is directed downward, and the UV LEDs will never hurt you. Unlike other gadgets, the plan is safe for your eyes, and the microcircuit will last for unclick convenience and flexibility of switching between 2 months minimum for disinfection in a backpack, maximum for disinfection in a car. Phlegm is ideal for disinfection on the desktop or in the living room. One portable gadget to size, disinfection of air and surfaces. Fast charge power bank that changes everything back to us today, sterilized and charged with flap.